It's time to get excited, gamers! Okami's highly anticipated sequel is on the horizon, and Nintendo Life has the inside scoop on how you can prepare for its release. But that's not all. There's a bargain eShop sale happening right now that will make it even easier to get your hands on this must-have game. So, buckle up and get ready for an epic adventure with Okami's sequel. But before we dive into the details, let's address a pressing matter for Gmail users. Forbes has issued a warning about potential account deletions in 2025, and it's time to take action to protect your precious email data. With the constant evolution of technology, it's crucial to stay ahead of the game and safeguard your information. Let's explore how you can secure your Gmail account and prevent any future mishaps. First things first, let's talk about the eShop sale. If you're a fan of Okami or have been wanting to try it out, now is the perfect time to do so. The game is currently available at a discounted price on the eShop, making it an affordable option for all gamers. But hurry, this sale won't last forever. With its stunning visuals, captivating storyline, and unique gameplay, Okami's sequel is sure to be a hit among fans and newcomers alike. Now onto the Gmail account deletion warning. According to Forbes, there have been talks about Google potentially deleting inactive accounts in 2025. This means that if you haven't logged into your Gmail account for a certain period of time, your data could be at risk of being permanently deleted. This news has caused concern among users who have important emails and information stored in their accounts. But fear not, there are steps you can take to protect your data. First and foremost, make sure to regularly log into your Gmail account to keep it active. Additionally, consider setting up a backup email or phone number to recover your account if needed. It's also a good idea to regularly download and save any important emails or attachments to your computer or an external hard drive. Now, let's shift our focus to Apple and their plans for the future. The Wall Street Journal has reported that the tech giant is working on thinner and foldable iPhones to revive growth. This news has sparked excitement among Apple fans and has left us wondering what innovative features these new iPhones will have. Will they be more durable? Will they have a larger screen? Only time will tell, but one thing is for sure. Apple is always pushing the boundaries of technology. As we eagerly await the release of Okami's sequel and the potential launch of thinner and foldable iPhones, let's remember to stay on top of our technology game. Take the necessary steps to protect your Gmail account and keep an eye out for any updates on Apple's new iPhones. Subscribe to stay informed and never miss a beat in the world of technology. So, there you have it. An exciting update on Okami's sequel, a warning about Gmail account deletions, and a glimpse into Apple's future plans. Stay tuned for more updates and be sure to take advantage of the eShop sale before it ends. Subscribe for your daily dose of the latest updates and breakthroughs in technology. Happy gaming and stay tech-savvy!